Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add bullet points to your text created on your slides in the Office or on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that start creating your PPT slides. Then you should tap on the text box and tap on this bullet points section. If you tap on it, you're gonna insert the bullet points one by one, so you can also select the whole text and apply the bullet points, but you can also change the bullet point icon. So if you tap on this button next to it, you can add these circles and check marks and arrows. So just feel free to try them out. Tap on the relevant one and then it will be changed automatically. You can also add numerals, as you can see here, and letters too. So you can apply the ABC, and here are the other options. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.